What's up, y'all, and thank you for tuning back into my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this bomb look that I have here, looking like a glazed donut. Right now I'm moisturizing the face before I get started on this look. I am going in with a concealer underneath the eyebrow to give it a popping look before I go ahead and shade in. Usually I don't do the concealer before the shading in, but I found that that is an easier way to fill in my eyebrows. Also, what you want to do is go through the concealer with a brush to conceal that concealer because that is what it's made for, to conceal, not to be just laying up on your face like some of these chicks. Fingers are also a good way for blending. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and use the e.l.f. eyeliner. You know, people look at me funny when I use eyeliner for my eyebrows, but honestly, it is really good on my eyebrows. It comes up really nice. It, you know, wipes away really nice if, you know, I mess up or anything. So this is, you know, an easier and cheaper way to do your eyebrows. As you see here, I'm just filling them in on the base, drawing that base line underneath the eyebrow. Not really underneath, but you know. I'm taking a spool and I'm going ahead and just blending it in so you can't see a harsh line. I do not want to look like a clown walking out of the house, and I am in a rush. May not look like it, but I am. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, you know. I'm going to try to make it look like twins as best as possible, but if it doesn't, you know, sisters will suffice for eyebrows. My mother always told me eyebrows are not supposed to be twins, they are supposed to be sisters, okay? So therefore, they do not have to look exactly alike.
Spent 24 hours, I need more hours with you.
DJ Lil Cat.
We spent the late nights making things right between us.
Okay, so now underneath the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and highlight my under eye area with another concealer that is a tad, when I say a tad, I mean a tad bit lighter than the concealer that I put around my eyebrows. I do not use foundation, so that step is canceled out for me indefinitely. Right here, I'm putting some Spritz to Fix. It is by Absolute New York on my sponge to give it a dab onto my concealer underneath my eye. I wanted to conceal as much as possible, and with this spray, I believe it helps it to, you know, absorb into the skin.
Oh, that was hot, wasn't it? Rewind it.
Starting out with a white concealer, I'm putting it all around the eye. I'm really not sure if this is a concealer, but it is a concealer palette that I'm working out of. I will tag that in the information box below. I want to apply this pretty heavy because I want my eyeshadow to pop when I apply it.
Now it's all good, baby. Well, I thought would, baby. Baby, go.
I want to kind of do a wing shadow, so I'm going ahead and put a little tape on the corners of my eye, kind of diagonal to the bottom lid of my eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and drag that white concealer across to give it that wing look, and it's going to be the base of my shadow, so you'll see the finishing touch when I take the shadow off. Moving on to the shadow, baby. I'm so psyched for this because this is like my favorite part. I just go a little bit crazy. I'm going in with a lime green, almost like a neon yellow. It's kind of hard for me to tell. Excuse me, I'm sorry. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I don't know. I don't have any explanation for what the heck I was doing. But I'm going in the creases and the corners of my eye with that green. And I'm applying it heavy once again because I want it to be very, very popping in the corners. I am adding a light blue shadow to the tail end of the eye to make that green / lime yellow pop a little bit more than what it is, and it will give it a little definition in the eye, on the eye, and I will love to see how it looks once I take the tape off. Right here, I'm putting a darker blue shadow on the middle of the eyelid. This will help it blend a lot better than what it's blending now. Although it's blending now, it's going to look a lot better with this darker blue. It's going to set it a lot better than what it is now. I'm coming back and I'm putting a warmer concealer underneath the eye. I kind of got happy with the concealer. Normally I do not do the concealer all over those places besides underneath the eye. I'm going to go ahead and put some Finishing Fix Spray back on. I don't know why I want to call this Finishing Fix Spray. Spritz to Fix Spray on my brush, and I'm going to go and blend that concealer underneath my eye. I am going down the sides of my nose to give my nose a narrow look. Here I'm chiseling that cheekbone, honey. This is my favorite part. I feel like it makes me look like, you know, bomber than I started. Hey.
But I don't want no boyfriend. I just wanna fuck. I just wanna fuck. I just wanna fuck. Sorry, I'm faded. I just wanna fuck. I just wanna fuck.
Here I'm using e.l.f. to go. Whoa. Wait, rewind. Pause the fuck. Wait, pause it. Yep, I did it like that, sis. And actually, you will not believe the results. Glazed donut, baby. Yep, and I'm back at it again with the eyeliner that I used for my eyebrows. So what? I'm saving money. Mind your business. The easiest way to do a wing liner, I would say, is to start off at the corner of your eye and then drag it up and make a triangle. And then just go with the direction of your eye. However your eye is shaped, go with that shape. Moving on to the lashes, you want to make sure that the lash glue is tacky to stick to the eyelash, your natural lash, or to whatever you stick it to. I like to stick mine to my lash. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do that. And the easiest way to put these bad boys on are to click from one corner to click to the other corner, kind of like a seatbelt.
I've got and pages